Hello again, you unfortunate humans. Today, I would like to consider the basic operators of your mathematics, or math if you are bent like that. I think you will all know of the plus, minus, multiplication and division, but that you may not know a few secrets about them. It is some of these I will tell you about today. You see, one secret is that subtraction is the opposite of addition and division is the opposite of multiplication. It is like getting bigger and getting smaller away in both cases. Now you will already be aware of that for addition and subtraction, because that is obvious. However, it is similar also for multiplication and division. The difference is that they can be both larger and smaller. What? At the same time, I hear you say. Well, no, not at the same time, but there is a counterintuitive aspect to multiplication and division. The important thing to understand is that the operation in addition and subtraction produces a thing that is either increased or decreased. However, with multiplication and division, the numbers can be larger or smaller depending upon a small point. That small point is called the decimal point. Some talk about the decimal point being in one of two positions, however it doesn't move. Oh no, is it? That blinking cat again, you might all say. Well, thankfully, not this time, because I have looked in the box, and the cat has obviously gone out for the day. So then, if you multiply with a number larger than 1, things grow. But then, if you multiply with a number that is less than 1, things shrink. You see there, the intuition has been countered, since you had expected multiplication to always make things bigger. Blimey, no wonder you are all mad. I can tell you it makes me angry too. But fear not, humans, I shall try to lighten your darkness, or maybe your teacher will clarify this for you, if you ask nicely. So in fact, the number symbols do increase, but because they are on the right side of the decimal point, they are only ever going to be a part of the original thing, and that is why it has shrunk. Now then, dividing will also rebel against the intuition. It will cause a larger number. I think you should throw some sticks at this mathematics. You may be able to straighten it out. I think tearing up paper is also quite useful, where division and fractions are concerned. So then, how can dividing stuff produce larger numbers? Well, it is because there are more smaller little bits, that is like broken into 6 parts instead of the 3 parts it had been broken into. I think that is enough for today. You should go and break some sticks or tear up some paper. You may become less mad.